The LG V20 user here, and today I'm doing the video for the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G for Straight Talk. So Straight Talk now finally has the Galaxy S21 Plus, so search.com. It's available now for $999.99. It's available in black. So yeah. So that's the current day you guys have your whole country calculation camera. Power and increase only outside the phone now. So it's available in black, but it's like in silver color here. So pretty interesting. So there's your camera setup there. Camera 5, Samsung on the back. On the other side of the phone, it's hard to tell where stuff is there. So it's available in like a silver color or whatever. This is the phone that would change photography. We made a recognition and there is a fine line between what makes a man ordinary and what makes it extraordinary. That's why we created the Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G. With the ability to record in 8K, your videos aren't just cinema quality, they are double the resolution of your video. Or using 64 megapixel camera for still shots that come out clear, whether it's there or not. Better yet, why not do both? Single-take AI transcends the visual from the photo and video editing to capture life's greatest moments, wherever they happen. And one single-take Galaxy Palette Paste Plus made for the applicant of the day. So the Galaxy S21 Plus dimension-wise, they are 6.25 inches height, 2.98 inches width, and 0.21 inches depth. Screen size is a 6.7-inch display. Dynamic AMOLED, 120Hz refresh rate with HDR10. Plus, that's very nice. You get 3 cameras in the back at 12 megapixel, one angle 64 megapixel, telephoto and the 12 megapixel ultra wide camera on the rear, 39 hours of battery, Bluetooth 5.0, non-removable 4800 battery with fast charging to 25 watt, Samsung 888 GPS, internet compatibility is there, talk time 39 hours, internal storage 120 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes of RAM. The weight is about 7.13 ounces. What's in the box is a Samsung Galaxy S21 plus prepaid smartphone, quick start guide, USB-C cable, and a Jackson pen. More pictures of the Galaxy S21 has Android 11 with Formula 3.1, which is very nice. Like I said before, it has a 6.7-inch display. It's a dynamic AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, HDR10 plus, 1300 nits peak, Samsung 888. So it's kind of interesting that they tell you the processors for both China and US, Korea, and the international version. The international version has a XMX 100 processor on it, which is very interesting. General storage out of the box plus a 200 means you never have to get rid of what's important to you. So you do get microwave SD expansion up to 512 gigabytes. So yeah, the features. So there you guys have it. The Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G is 900 at Straight Talk, available now for $999.99. It's available in like the silver white color here. So Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching the video. And I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.